Today we are here because the President also said that Kenya must show its solidarity and give a token of its empathy and its sympathy for what has happened to the Indonesian people. And so we are here today to donate half a ton of tea and half a ton of coffee from Kenya, which will be a symbol, a symbol of our solidarity with the tragedy that has befallen the great country of Indonesia.
We are very appreciative for the good gesture and whatever donation that you have extended to us, and we appreciate also that this donation will be transported to the Indonesian Red Cross, and I believe the Indonesian Red Cross will distribute or bring all the donation from Kenya to the location in due time, because right now we are still struggling with the infrastructure which are broken and cut off and everything. So that's why a number of countries also give their assistance in any form they can.